Hey everybody, it's Melissa and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make these super delicious and so easy crispy Christmas bars. You are going to love it. So get a stick of butter, get the salted butter. You don't need the unsalted butter. And you're going to get 1.5 cups of graham crackers. Now you can, if you want, get the real graham crackers and just do it old school style and just crush them with a rolling pin and a Ziploc and make them yourself. Or you can go the easy route like I did and you can just buy the Keebler crumbs, okay? Because it's just as good. I melted my butter in a little saucepan, but you could put the butter in the microwave as well. It's no big deal. Either way is going to work just as good. You're just going to mix it up real nice like I did, and then get a 9x13 Pyrex or baking dish and some parchment paper. Now you're going to go ahead and line, no, wait. No, you're not going to line it yet. You're going to get some Baker's Joy or some sort of Pam or just use old school butter and grease your baking sheet. Put the parchment paper in, then you're going to spray it again, because if not, you are going to have a hot diggity dog mess on your hands, because what we are making is sticky and it is going to stick to that baking sheet. So make sure you grease it really well. The parchment paper also makes it really easy to just take the bars out of the baking dish. So use the parchment paper and grease it, okay? So then you're gonna go ahead and put your graham crackers in and press them down like so. And I tried to be fancy, for the camera with the spatula, but guess what? I don't use that. I just use my hands. I clean them. Now, get it in there really good and push it into the corners too. Get some sweetened condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can. You're gonna pour it over the graham crackers and just try to do it evenly the way I'm doing it and cover all of the graham crackers. Cover your corners too, and let's get all of that sweet gooey goodness out of the can and into the pan. Now we are going to layer. Here comes the fun part. So these are just sweetened coconut flakes. No need to measure, just sprinkle it on and do it by sight. One thing I will say is that I am going to add Rice Krispies to this, and I wish I would have put the Rice Krispies right after the coconut. So that's what you're going to do when you make this. Coconut, then Rice Krispies, then you're going to sprinkle the chocolate morsels like I am doing right now. And these are just semi-sweet chocolate morsels. You can get the minis or the biggies. I like the biggies. Now, you see what I did? Instead of buying a whole big regular Rice Krispies cereal box, I bought this single serve, and it was the exact amount. I used all of it. See, I used some, and then I went back and I'm like, you know what? Put it all on there, because this makes these bars so good. The Rice Krispies are the game changer. Now, you could put nuts in there, but nobody's going to eat them in my house if I put the nuts, so I did not. But they are really good with walnuts or pecans. And then get yourself some cute little... Now, if it's not Christmas, don't get the Christmas M&Ms, because then they'd be outdated. But it is Christmas, so get the Christmas colored M&Ms and put them on like so. Now, you're going to get a little spatula, get a fork, get whatever, and press them down really good. I don't think I pressed them good enough, really, but press them down. I didn't video this, but you don't need me to. Put it in the oven at 350, a preheated oven, and bake them for 30 minutes and let them cool completely. And this is what you get. You are going to love. Like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate you. Love you guys, and Merry Christmas.